Hi and welcome to this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ilse and I'm so glad you're watching this video. As you can see, I took a little break from school. I'm now at the sea and it's been so peaceful here. The weather has been great. There's so much nature. I love it. As you can see, we went to the beach and we walked around in the city. I'm just gonna stay here for a couple days, but it's a great break from school. I've also been reading some books. I'm still in the middle of the same two books, If on a Winter's Night, A Traveler by Calvino. It's become really interesting so far. I was kind of scared it's going to be a very tricky read, a very hard read, but yeah, it's been fine so far. It's not been that tricky. I love the meta concept of breaking the fourth wall, really talking to the reader, talking about people who are actually reading this book. That's very cool. I've never seen that done before. Just Calvino's writing is amazing. He describes things so well. I've never seen any writing like this, so I've been really enjoying this one. I'm very curious to see where it goes. I'm not quite sure on the rating yet, but we'll see as I finish it. I've also been tabbing this book, so hopefully at the end there will be a lot of tabs. Hopefully I can find the quotes that I really loved while reading the book. I've also been reading The Count of Monte Cristo, and this book has just been so great. I love this book. I've also been tabbing this one. It's been really fun so far. I told you before that I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to annotate, but now I've made a system where the darkest color of blue is historical events or interesting historical matters. Then the lightest color of blue is quotes that I really liked, beautiful writing, and the greener color is the progression of Dante's character. Because in the beginning of the story, he's very naive, very young. He tells us he doesn't have any opinions, no political opinions. He just listens to everyone who tells him anything. And then as he goes through jail, goes through life, goes through hardships, he really grows and becomes more of a mature character and gets his own opinions, learns about the world. And those progressions I want to tab with the more green color. So we have 3 different colors that I am tabbing. And yeah, it's been really fun. If you're wondering what these tabs are, these are just every 40-page mark so that I can have a guideline as to how many pages I need to read to get through this book. I might take them out at the end, but they look nice right now, so I'm keeping them. So yeah, these are the 2 books I've been reading so far. They both have been great. I've been really enjoying them. They're both going towards a 5-star right now, so I'm curious to see how it progresses, but I've been really loving them. And yeah, it's been so peaceful here. It's kind of a break from school. I obviously do a lot of reading for school as well. That's very heavy topic matters, of course, very interesting, but very heavy topic matters and very much academic reading. So that's very different. You can't compare them to these novels. Yeah, for school, I've been reading a lot about social inequality, gender inequality, which is also really interesting. It can be very heavy, depressing sometimes. So I'm happy to be taking a little break with these novels. Yeah, so I'm taking a little break right here and I'll hopefully get back very refreshed. It's been so peaceful here and I'm really happy that I get to go here in the weekend. Let me know what you're reading and enjoy this video.